What? Oh, sure, buddy. Here you go. But Bip, you're supposed to use that to order and get one of those. Here, let me show you. So you put the coin in here, twist this thing, and then... Do you just swallow? Okay, yeah. Okay. Sorry, buddy, but I got no more coins left. Maybe you can find some around the store. Sometimes you can drop coins. Anyways, I'm gonna go develop my photos over here. Don't go too far, okay? I just got that done. Where did I leave Bip? What? Bip? I can see that. How did you get so many coins? What? You guys again?